Hi, my name is Basia. Welcome back to another week of my life as a self-employed jewelry artist. I've been making jewelry, packing orders, and alright, I moved. I have a new workshop now.
Nope, not doing that again. Nope.
Finally! Good morning. Today I have a couple orders that I need to pack and ship. I'm also going to start filming a new video, kind of like a tutorial of making an amethyst ring with this beautiful amethyst, which I really love. And I also have a custom order for this ring, almost exactly the same, but with different gemstone. I mentioned in the past that I normally don't do custom orders right now, but if it's something that I can recreate, or like with this ring, just exactly the same ring but smaller size, then I'm happy to do that. And the gem I will be using is such a stunner. It's also a fluorite. It has kind of like a purple bluish color. There is beautiful rainbow inside due to inclusions that the stone has. So I'm very excited for it. I'm gonna show it to you once I finish. Right now I'm packing my orders on my dining table. I'm really looking forward to having a separate table just for packing orders.
Belly to belly, face to face. Those eyes you take me to the start. Sweetheart, sweetheart. See me through and you polish me up. Oh, I feel brand new. Your street dog eyes anticipate me. I'm a kid again in a vibrant life. A ghost on marble steps into the rain. Into the rain. Make the way to
The weather has completely changed now. Past weeks were super hot and sunny, and now it's so gloomy and rainy. The white balance on my camera is going crazy in this light. Oh my goodness, look at that. Come on. Okay. So yeah, it's so crazy, but it's quite cozy. I was just about to take Koda for a walk. Huh. Good morning. Today I have some admin work to do. I need to ship some orders that came in last night, and I will be working on jewelry. Guys, I'm sure most of you know about Rio Grande at this point, but if you don't, it's one of the biggest suppliers in the world with a massive variety of different tools, metal supplies, findings and equipment. And I have a code for you that you can use to get $20 off shipping when you order at Rio. Use METALART at checkout and the promo will be applied if you haven't used it before. Definitely take advantage of this. Shopping for supplies and tools is expensive, so I'm always extremely grateful when a trusted supplier offers something in return for the community. Huge thank you to Rio Grande for this offer and for supporting my channel.
I'll go chasing rainbows, near or far. I'll color your world. Ooh. Someday I will find you, shooting star. You belong in my head, in my head. Would I be the same without you, without you? The sky won't ever change without you, without
I'm in the progress of making this ring for a customer. It's this one, and now I want to make silver balls that you can see on the side here as a little decoration, and I'm using a fine silver wire.
in my head. There are mountains, endless sunsets, rivers and streams in my dreams. Blue skies, I see your eyes.
Okay, I just finished editing this video. Oh no! No, I haven't. I still need to color grade it. But to be honest, I don't do much with these videos. I like to keep the colors and everything natural, so I'm mostly just color correcting. All of the clips are right here. Quite a few of them. So lately I've realized that it takes me about 2 to 3 days to film a video like this, and it takes me 2 to 3 days to edit this video, so it's not in haste. The longer I edit, the better the video. I've changed, you might have noticed, my posting schedule from every week to every other week, and that's why, because it's actually quite a lot of work. But I hope you enjoy these videos, and this will be a tutorial, so I'm very excited to see what you think of it. So unfortunately, the sound is missing from this clip right here, but as you can see, I'm just preparing an order, a lovely set from the Timeless collection, and it's gold-filled jewelry with freshwater pearls. I absolutely love it. It's very classic and really lovely. So I hope the recipient will be happy with their new set. I've almost run out of the tea bags that I add to orders. I'm gonna need to go get some more. Okay, the ring is ready. Oh my goodness, I love it. The hidden flower underneath and this beautiful rainbow inclusion. Wow. I absolutely love fluorites. They are such beautiful gems, often with so many beautiful colors. I have really mixed emotions because I'm so excited to change the space, but at the same time I'm really going to miss this flat. I really like this little corner. This setup really worked for me, but as you can see, I am again in the living room and in the kitchen. I don't usually show it on the videos because I want to create really nice visuals. So for everyone asking if it's possible to work from home if you don't have a separate room, absolutely. And you can keep the windows open to air your space. You can have a fume extractor, which really helps. You can use the one that's underneath your bench or something that you can put on top of your bench. There are many options right now for that. Hi. So I wasn't able to finish the opal necklaces. I wasn't even able to finish the bezels because the day of the move has arrived. It is today. It's time to pack everything up. And honestly, our plans didn't go so well. So the new flat that we're moving to was flooded because of the roof, that there were works on the roof. And because of the heavy rain, the roof wasn't properly secured. There was some damage and it had to be dealt with. We didn't even know if we can move into that flat, but luckily everything's sorted. As for the move itself, it's not exactly something that we planned. Actually, we didn't plan it at all. But yeah, the situation with our current flat has changed and we have to move. So anyway, I hope everything will go smoothly from now on. Let's start packing. To be honest, with my studio, I think we'll be moving it almost entirely by ourselves. But the moving company is definitely taking the bench because nope, I'm not doing that again. Nope. This is 100 kilograms. When it's all put together, if we disassemble it, there's still, I think, at least 50 or 60 kilograms for the main part. So yeah, nope. Oh, and I really enjoyed this setup. It was such a small space, but it was really comfortable to work in. Okay, I'm gonna need some music. Let's see. There we go.
Here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too.
So in this flat, I will have a separate room for my workshop. Let me show you around, although it's not ready yet. We just moved and whole day today I've been putting things away and just trying to organize the space. It's a long process, but I'm getting there. Right, so this is the new room that will be my workshop. As you can see, I am still very much not settled in. I still have to organize everything, but I'm making my way through all of the tools. I've put a lot on the bed so that I can make some space to move the bench. But I'm thinking about the layout. So that table over there is not ours, it was already here. And the bed was already here. We can't really do anything about it, so it has to stay. But that's good. I mean, I'm gonna turn this bed into like a little couch during the day, and it can be a separate bed for the guests when they arrive. Maybe I could just use this table as my computer table. We'll see. So yeah, let's get started with all of that and organize it. to my bench because I also need to make room for computer desk. We'll see. Finally! Okay, I settled for this setup. I'm pretty happy with it, although I might be changing a thing or two. We'll see how it works once I start working. I'm pretty happy how it all fits in here. I still need to set up this trolley, but this is like a computer station and the bench over there. And I have a bed over here, so I'm gonna use it as a couch and a spare bed for guests and a bed for Coda, obviously. In this wardrobe is something I'm super excited about, and that's a packing station. I apologize for the noise from the construction work outside if you can hear anything. We are surrounded by construction work, including our roof, so it might be a little bit tricky with the videos in the near future, but I'll try to do my best to work around it. So this is my packing station, and I have all of the supplies over here, and in the drawer below I have shipping supplies, boxes and all of that, and all of the supplies in front of me here. I am really enjoying this setup and I'm excited to have it all in one spot. That will be all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will share a bit more in the next one. And in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful end of summer, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!